Exercise 9b. If A is equal to 2 minus 3, 4. You have to maintain gap. Distance should be there. I told you. This is row matrix. 1 row, 3 columns. 1 by 3. Order 1 by 3. Find first bit 5A. What is the meaning of 5A? Means 5 into A. So 5 into A. A is what? Matrix 2 minus 3, 4. Now multiply each member with 5. 5 2s 10. Plus into minus, minus. 5 3s 15. Plus into plus, plus. 5 4s 20. Very simple, very easy. Matrix is very easy, but don't play any tricks in this matrix. Now third bit is minus A. Minus, and A is what given? 2 minus 3, 4. Now apply minus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus 3. Minus into plus minus. So minus 2, minus into minus. Plus 3 and minus 4. Quite opposite signs will come. Plus becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. Plus becomes minus. Second problem. If 6m is equal to matrix, if m is equal to 6 minus 4. This is the second problem. They told to find second bit 1 by 2 m. 1 by 2 m means 1 by 2 into m is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 minus 4. This is also row matrix. 1 row, 2 columns. 1 by 2 order. Now, with half you are going to multiply. 1 by 2 into 6. 1 by 2 into minus 4. Maintain gap, social distance. 2 goes in 6 3 times. Here 2 goes in 4 2 times. So, minus. 1 into 3. 1 into minus 2. 3 ones are 3. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Fourth problem. If 6m is equal to 0, 6 minus 12, 24. Find m. We have to find m. What is the meaning of 6m? 6 into m. Multiplication goes that side, division. So 1 by 6 goes to the denominator. Numerator goes to denominator. With 1 by 6, you have to multiply each member. Each member. These are called members or elements. Now 1 by 6 into 0. 1 by 6 into 6. 1 by 6 into minus 12. 1 by 6 into 24. Now 0 into anything will be 0. 6 goes in 6 one time. 1 ones are 1. 6 goes here 2 times in 12. Here minus is there. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 6 goes in 24 4 times. 1 4s are 4. Fifth problem. If A is equal to 2 5 minus 3 7 and B is equal to matrix 1 minus 2 3 2 5, find first one A plus B. If you want to add matrix, it should be same order. Comparable matrices we have learned. So you have to compare. This is 2 by 2 matrix. Then this also should be 2 by 2. If the order is same, we can add. If the order is not same, it is impossible to add or to subtract. Keep in mind. So now 2 plus 1, first element. Coming to the second one. 5 plus of minus 3. 5 plus of minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2. Next last one. 7 plus 5. First element with first element. Second element with second element. Third element with third element. Fourth element with fourth element. Now 2 plus 1 how much? 3. 5 plus into minus, minus 3. Here minus 3 plus 2. Opposite signs we have to subtract at the big number sign. 3 if we take 1 will come and minus 3. 3 is more big number. So minus 1. 5, 7 plus 5, 12. Now again here simplification is that we did not complete. 3 as it is. 5 minus 3 is 2. Here minus 1, 12. This is the way of adding matrices. What is the important point? Same order. Coming to the third bit. B minus A. What is B? They have given matrix B is equal to 1 minus 3 2 5 minus, if minus is there keep minus, plus is there keep plus, and minus A. What is A? 2 5 minus 3 7. Orders 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows 2 columns, 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows 2 columns, 2 by 2. Same order, you have to check that one. Now 1 minus 2 first element, minus 3 minus 5 second one, comes to third, 2 minus of minus 3, you have to keep bracket compulsory, 5 minus 7. Now 1 minus 2 is minus 1, I did not explain to you. Signs are same, we are going to add and going to put the same sign. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. Here 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 3, and here 5 minus 7 is minus 2. So what is the answer? Final answer minus 1 minus 8, 2 plus 3 is 5 and minus 2. Sixth problem. If M is equal to matrix 2 minus 3 4 5 and N is equal to matrix minus 1 6 3 2, find second bit 4n minus 3m. What is the meaning of 4n? 4 into n minus 3m, 3 into m. So 4 into, what is the matrix? N matrix, minus 1 6 3 2. See properly. Sometimes you may do mistake. You may write M matrix. N place N matrix only you have to write. Minus 3 into, now M matrix 2 minus 3 4 5. Now you are multiplying each term with each element with 4. 4 into minus 1, 4 into 6, 4 into 3, 4 into 2. Minus is there? Minus. 3 with each member or each element. 3 into 2, 3 into minus 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 5. Now 4 into minus 1, minus 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So for first matrix we got minus. Second one, 3 2s are 6, plus into minus, minus 3 3s 9. So minus 9. This is not 6 minus 9. Be careful. First element, second element. Distance, social distance. 3 4s 12. 3 5s 15. We did not complete because still we have to do minus. Now we are doing first element minus first element. Second element minus second element. Third element minus third. Fourth minus fourth. So minus 4 minus 6. 24 minus of minus 9, 12 minus 12, 8 minus 15. Now signs are same, we should add and put the same sign. Minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10, 24 minus into minus plus 9, 12 minus 12 0, 8 minus 15, minus is more, so minus 7, we are going to subtract. This is plus and that is minus, opposite sign we are going to subtract. So 7 will come and the bigger number, greater number sign comes. Now last final answer minus 10, 24 plus 9 is 33. 33 here 0 and minus 7. Seventh problem. Given that A is equal to matrix 2 4 3 2 and B matrix 1 3 minus 2 5 and C matrix minus 2 5 3 4. Now third bit 3A minus 2B plus 4C. What is the meaning of 3A? 3 into A. 2B 2 into B. 4C 4 into C. So 3 into A 2 4 3 2 minus 2 into 1 3 minus 2 5 plus 4 into this matrix C matrix minus 2 5 3 4. 3 table everybody knows. 3 2s are 6. Directly can write, no problem. 3 4s 12. 3 3s 9. 3 2s 6. Minus 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 into minus 2 is minus 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Plus into minus. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. 4 3s 12. 4 4 16. Now 3 at a stretch you are going to simplify. All the first elements, all the second elements, all the third elements, all the fourth elements you are going to simplify. 6 minus 2 plus of minus 8. This is the first element. 12 minus 6 plus 20. Second element. 9 minus of minus 4 plus 12. Third element. 6 minus 10 plus 16. Fourth element. Now simplify. 6 minus 2 is 4. Plus into minus 8. 12 minus 6 is 6. Plus 20. Now 9 minus into minus plus 4 plus 12. 6 minus 10 is minus 4 plus 16. Now simplify the answer. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Opposite signs we are going to subtract. Greater numbers symbol sign will come. 6 plus 20 26. 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 12 25. 16 minus 4 12.